So we wrapped up our webinar series on rebooting our resilience, where we dove deep into the 7 principles of resilience, and we also shared our resilience reboot tool. But I wanted to share with you, even more importantly, what we heard across the board from the folks that attended. We asked the question, what is the biggest thing that is causing you adversity in 2020? And across the board, 2 items came to the top very loud and clear. One of them was work, not surprising. The other was caring for loved ones and others. So my question to you, simple yes or no in the comments, did these top 2 things, did they shock you? So when we probe deeper, especially around caring for loved ones and others, one thing I want to make very clear, and the folks shared with us, our clients shared with us very loudly, is this isn't about the loved ones or others causing the adversity or causing the stress because we're caring for them. What's happening is we're giving so much of ourselves across the board to all these different avenues: work, family, friends, loved ones, neighbors, community. And we're not giving time for ourselves at all anymore. So one of the key principles of resilience is self-regulation. And that means we have to give ourselves grace. We have to find time in the day or in the week where we are spending time re-energizing ourselves, rebooting ourselves, giving ourselves a chance to breathe and regroup. Because the reality is, if we can't do that, if we can't care for ourselves, we're not setting ourselves up for success to be able to support our loved ones and care for our loved ones and support our team and help them move through it as successfully as we can be. So I just want you to think about that. And don't worry, if you weren't able to attend one of the live webinars, we are happy to share with you the recording of the webinar that walks through the tool, walks through the principles of resilience, and then you can even get the tool to use for yourself. We'll send you that template.